Hi, welcome to Figma Friday number 3. In this video, what I'd like to do is show you one of my favorite ways to learning the keyboard shortcuts in Figma to really enhance and speed up your workflow. So let's dive in here. So when you're just getting started with Figma, you'll notice that as you're going through some of these option menus, there are keyboard shortcuts attached to a lot of these different options that are kind of scattered all through here. So we see the shortcuts here through the menu options. If you use any of the tools and you hover your cursor over the tools, you'll see that each tool generally has a shortcut assigned to it, like R, P for pen, T for the type tool, and then some of these other ones in the view mode. There's a lot of different shortcuts attached to options here. And it goes on through a lot of the remainder of the Figma user interface. But the best and fastest way to learn all the shortcuts in Figma is to click on this little help icon here, and you'll notice an option for keyboard shortcuts. So if we click on that or press Control-Shift ? On Windows, Figma will pull up this really interesting and intuitive interface for all of the keyboard shortcuts throughout the application. And all of the tool shortcuts are grouped within categories here. So selection, all the cursor shortcuts, edit, and as you can see, some of these that are colored blue I've already activated by pressing them, but let's try doing one of these other ones that I haven't done yet. So pixel preview, Control-Alt-Y. Control-Alt-Y. So when I press that and go into pixel preview mode, Figma fills in those shortcut keys. And let's try some of these other ones. Alt-2 for Open Assets Panel. Okay, so I press that. Alt-8 for Open Design Panel. There we go. And what happens is on some of these other ones, so let's try to fill in all of these just so I can demonstrate what happens when you activate every single shortcut within a category. So the pencil tool, Shift P. There's the pencil tool right there. And then let's activate the arrow tool, Shift L, and watch what happens when I do that. See, Figma animates all of these, giving you a visual cue that you've activated all the keyboard shortcuts within this category. So the designers at Figma have really figured out this clever way to gamify keyboard shortcut learning within their app, and it's super fun, and I suggest that all of you give it a try to master the shortcuts and improve your workflow within this app. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.